Well, shifting focus, Delhi's Kerala House has changed its menu after a Hindu Sena leader called the Delhi police and complained about beef being served in the State House canteen. Nearly 20 police officers went to Kerala House on Monday evening after they received a call that the state guest house was serving beef. Kerala House has, however, responded to the complaint, saying that they only serve buffalo meat and named it beef on their menu. Following the controversy, Kerala House has stopped serving buffalo meat to avoid any confusion. According to police officials, no one has been detained, and Kerala Chief Minister Oommen Chandy has also hit back, saying that the Delhi police should have exercised some restraint. He said that the state government will take up the issue with the centre. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also attacked the Delhi police. In a tweet, Kejriwal said they had no business to enter Kerala House. He also took a jibe at Modi and his government. This comes just after last week, the Hindu Sena had smeared ink on Jammu and Kashmir MLA engineer Rashid for holding a beef party at the MLA quarters in Srinagar.
Now, what's your demand, sir? What's
The latest visuals that we're getting you from outside Kerala House in Delhi, where a protest is being organized. Let's listen to what's happening there.
You guys, see, one by one you come. See.
Sir, now you can tell me what's your demand, sir, right now?
See, this Kerala House was purchasing rice, vegetables and meat available in the market in Delhi. We purchased it and we cooked food and served it. The police had entered saying that it is cow's meat, that they have killed a cow. We do not do that. We purchase things from market. We purchase from the market. And the police, this is a Kerala government's institution. The Delhi police, before entering our kitchen, they should have sought an explanation from the head of the institution.
Who is do you think it's a conspiracy? Who is behind all this?
I do not know. But I can only guess. Because police is not a Bajrangal or BJP.
क्या करते हो यार?
That cattle slaughter is not allowed. 1994.
Right, this is a protest that's being reported outside Kerala House. Let's listen in to a report that's been sent in by our correspondent Anindo Banerjee as well.
Here, a lot of left MPs have gathered here in Kerala Bhavan. They are protesting about that what happened yesterday around 4 p.m. Police, what they call a police raid. Mr. Sampath is a CPIM MP. Sir, what is the reaction? Why are you protesting here?
Hey, who gave these people to poke their nose into my kitchen and my dining table and in my bedroom? It is we know what to eat, we know what to cook. We are not imposing anything upon these people. They have no right to come here. There was no law and order problem here in the Kerala House. It is the property of the people of Kerala. It is the property of the government of Kerala. We have not asked anybody to come over here.
That's true, sir. But the Delhi police is saying...
No, if the Delhi police, it is not a matter between the IAS officers and the IPS officers. This is an infringement upon the rights of the people of Kerala. This is an infringement upon the powers of the government of Kerala. So that is why we are...
But sir, they are saying it's not a raid. They just came here as a preventive measure.
What preventive measure? What preventive measure? They can fetch it. If they want, they can also get some buffalo meat from the market. They can also cook and they can also serve.
So the allegation is your chief minister is politicizing the whole matter. Oommen Chandy right now is politicizing the whole issue.
If Oommen Chandy is trying to politicize it, we will take up that matter with the people and we will take up that issue in Kerala. The matter is that this is the embassy of Kerala. This is the embassy of Kerala.
You call it an embassy.
This is an embassy of Kerala. This is the property of the people of Kerala. This is the property of people of Kerala. This is the property of government of Kerala.
There you have it all around. A lot of MPs here present here. Also, Mr. Narayanan here, another Rajya Sabha MP who is also present. They are saying that they're calling it an embassy. Interestingly, trying to politicize the whole matter, and they want to say that this is a matter that solve the right, the federal rights, federal structure of the whole country has been violated. Another MP is here, ma'am. Do you think that why do you think the rights of Kerala and Kerala government has been violated?
Sure, because everybody protested, Honorable CM protested. Before that, our party leader and the opposition leaders, our CPM State Secretary, Comrade Kodiyeri Balakrishnan, strongly protested. This is an attack against federalism.
Right.
So, central government should apologize.
But ma'am, the allegation is